Hi guys, happy Diwali from Chetna at Sanj. So today I'll talk about a few of my favorite Indian pieces which I possess. One of the pieces which I'm wearing, it's a gold pendant and earrings. The beauty about this Radha Krishnan pendant, it is very intricately made. There are different levels of finishing in gold jewelry, but this is the most premium, yes, the most expensive when I talk about the making. Look at it closely. Each peacock, each lotus, each kalash and the Radha Krishnan ki aankhein and the whole features, they are beautifully done in this pendant. So another piece I'll talk about polki. So polki long hair. A lot of times, like let's say I'm wearing a very simple suit, so I can't wear my entire wedding necklace. So long hairs look very pretty, but yes, there has to be edge to it for it to stand out. So I'll talk about one of such pieces. So this is basically a polki long hair. Now this polki is a beautiful size polki in a flower with the ruby talpa. So this is a combination of polki and pearl. So it's gorgeous and it looks very Indo-Western as well. Even if I have to wear it on a dress sometimes and carry it, it looks really nice. So this is another piece. Now, a lot of people like stringing. They like mala. So what we've done is we've varied the stringing here. So one part is double, moving further is single. It's done because of style. And yes, if you see the ruby talpas, and there's a flower which is made on the pendant. Even the gold chain, it's Italian, and we've done enameling work and polki on top of it. So it's also a very Indo-Western way of wearing it. And when you wear it with these earrings, so they really look very smart together because it really stands out. It's a completely different concept. So these were few pieces which I love to wear on a regular Diwali party or on a lunch like that. So this Diwali, please don't fret buying gold. We can customize in your budget. We can make it stylish for you. So here we are at Sanj for you. Happy Diwali once again.